Alright, so just like always, my first step, if I have the equation already written, is to draw my area model. And again, that is only for my top number here. I only have to draw one area model when I'm subtracting. So I'm going to draw my eighths, and I have 3 of those. I have 3/8. So my next step yesterday was just to cross out the pieces that I was taking away. The problem with that, though, is I have to take away 7 pieces, but I only shaded 3 pieces. So I need to ungroup one of my wholes. I need to ungroup a whole. And this is where it gets tricky, because whenever we ungroup whole numbers, we ungroup in groups of 10. I take a 10 and I ungroup it for 10 ones. I take 100, I ungroup it for 10 tens. In this case, though, my unit's different. My unit's no longer 10. We're not in a base 10 system. My unit in this case is 8. So I'm going to take one of these wholes. So I ungroup a whole, so I have 5 wholes left. And that whole that I ungrouped, I'm going to make over here now. And I have to make it not into tenths. I don't ungroup it for 10 pieces. In this case, I ungroup it for 8 pieces because I have eighths. If I had 6, I'd ungroup it for 6 pieces. 12, I'd ungroup for 12 pieces. And I have all of those pieces. This is 8/8. So now this becomes, instead of 3/8, this is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 eighths. So after I've done my ungrouping, I have 11 eighths up here. That's my improper fraction. Now, I can take away my pieces, because now I have 7 pieces I can take away. So I'm going to take away, starting with these ones. I don't want to take away these because now I have to move. Then I have to move pieces. So I start up here and I take away these 3 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've taken away my pieces. Now I, just like before, I write my fraction. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 eighths left. And my last step is to subtract my wholes. And 5 minus 4 gives me 1. So my difference becomes 1 and 4 eighths.